guys, Skyware Entertainment's here. I'm back with another video because, well, what else could it be? Okay, no, just kidding. Anyways, in this video, I'll show you how to get mods for Minecraft Java Edition. And, yeah, that's it. Should probably start scripting these intros, but yeah, let's get straight into the video. Oh god. So, to get mods for Minecraft Java Edition, you need to download this thing called Forge, which is basically the application that applies mods to Minecraft. So, yeah, basically just go to files.minecraftforge.com, and the link will be in the description down below as usual. And yeah, now I'm just gonna wait for this to load. Alright, so once you're on this website here, you gotta download Minecraft Forge for whichever version of Minecraft that you're going to be using the mods for. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be using 1.12.2 because for whatever reason, that's the version of Minecraft that has the most mods for it. So basically, once you've selected the version that you want, simply click on download latest or download recommended, it really doesn't matter, and then click on the installer over here. Alrighty, so now that my Minecraft Forge 1.12.2 has downloaded, I'm just gonna quickly download a mod now that, since Chrome is still open. So, yeah, I'll be right back once I find a mod and download it. Alright, so after a while of searching, I finally found a vehicle mod made by Mr. Crayfish that doesn't take forever to download. So yeah, once you have downloaded Forge and the mod that you want, we're just going to quickly close up Chrome. So yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna apply Forge to Minecraft, and to do that, first of all, you need to make sure that you've ran that version of Minecraft that you downloaded Forge for at least once. So for example, I downloaded Forge for 1.12.2. You need to make sure that you ran 1.12.2 at least once. So to do that, simply go to the installations tab, click on new, and then select the version that you downloaded Forge for, so 1.12.2, and then click on create. So I'm quickly going to cancel that, then click on play, select that version and then click on play, and then once the game loads, you can simply exit, and that's it. Now we can move on to the next step. Go ahead and open up your file explorer, and then navigate to where you downloaded Forge to. So for me, that's obviously going to be the downloads folder, and now you just want to double click this Forge file, and it should launch, but however, it might not, and if it doesn't, that means that you don't have Java installed. So to run Forge, you need to have Java installed on your computer. I'm not going to show you how to do that because it's super simple. It's just like installing any other app. Just go to java.com and then download the latest version and then run it and install it. So yeah, after that, it still might not work. And if it doesn't, then you have to right click the Forge file and then click on open with, and then you should see Java TM platform CE, whatever this is. And then it should look like this, and then simply click on OK. You don't need to change anything over here. And it should say finished. It might take longer than mine did because I already have Forge installed. So yeah. Now we can go ahead and put the mod into Minecraft files. To do that, simply go ahead and click on the window key and then the R key. Alternatively, you can go ahead and click on the window key and then go to all apps, scroll down and click on Windows System, and then click on Run. So yeah, it's the same thing. Now you want to type in shift and then 5, in other words, percent, app data, percent, then click on enter, and you should see this here pop up. And look for .minecraft. Most of the time it will be the first thing, but yeah, once you find it, click on it, and then you need to create a folder called mods. So right click in an empty space, click on new, and then click on folder, and then name it exactly mods, all lowercase. I'm not going to do that because, as you can see, I already have a mods folder, but yeah, that's basically how you do it. And then you can go ahead and open up that mods folder, and here you can see there's basically nothing except for my inactive mods. Yeah. Now once you have that done, you can go ahead and move the mod that you downloaded, in my case the vehicle mod, into the what's called mods folder. So I'm going to quickly copy it, and then click back, and I'm back in the mods folder, and then click on paste. And there you go. Now you can go ahead and close up the file explorer and launch the Minecraft launcher. Okay, so once you have launched the Minecraft launcher, you need to find Forge over here. So it should look like this. You'll have this logo here, Forge, and then underneath it should say 1.12.2 Forge, and then the version of Forge. If you don't see it here, however, then you'll have to click on Installations, New, and then look for Forge over here. And simply click on it. You can name it whatever you want. Once you have done everything that you need to do, so selected this version, and then you need to simply click on Create, and then click on Play again, and then look for that version. So there it is, mods for 1.12.2. Now you can simply click on Play. Alright, so once you load up Minecraft with the mods installed, you might see something like this, which is basically you must include the right dependencies, etc, etc, etc. Basically what that means is that you need to download another mod for the mod that you downloaded to work. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly find this here thing that it says I need, and I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, I ran into a bunch of problems, but that was easily solved by simply downloading a different version of that dependency thing that the mod needed. But basically, once you have managed to load up Minecraft, you can simply check to see if your mod was loaded by clicking mods from the title screen. And here you can see Mr. Crayfish Vehicle mod and this thing, whatever you pronounce it. And yeah, now I'll quickly show you that it works by making a new world, making it creative, and then clicking Create New World. I'll be right back once this loads. Alright, so here you can see my Minecraft has loaded, and I have grabbed one of the things that are in this mod. And yeah, as you can see, this is clearly a mod because, well, there aren't any, like, ATV things in Minecraft. So, yeah, that's how you download mods for Minecraft Java Edition. Hope you had fun, and remember to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. See you next time. I'm out.